Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we're cutting through some noise around Google Workspace.
Yeah, lots of AI updates coming through.
Exactly. We've got info from a few places, Excel Technologies, the Google partner, and Google's own blog, Android Central, Neowin too.
You're right, a mix of sources.
Our mission really is to figure out how these new AI bits in Workspace might actually change things for like communication, getting work done.
It's more than just features, isn't it? It's about potentially shifting how we interact with our tools day to day.
Okay, so let's unpack the first one, Gemini Live. It sounds, well, pretty futuristic. What is it, basically?
Think of it like having a dynamic AI conversation. It's not just commands. It listens. You can see through your camera, even look at your screen.
Whoa, okay, so multiple inputs, voice, camera, screen.
Exactly. The idea is a much more sort of fluid interaction. You can interrupt it, ask follow-up questions, change the topic. It's meant to feel more natural.
So could you, like, point your camera at a messy whiteboard after a brainstorm?
That's the kind of use case, yeah. And Gemini Live could help maybe organize those notes or digitize them quickly.
Okay, I can see that being useful. And who gets this?
It's rolling out starting with Google Workspace Business and Enterprise plans.
Right, the paid tiers. Imagine, though, for someone learning something new, maybe pointing your camera at a problem and getting instant guided help, hands-free.
Yeah, the potential for training or quick support is definitely there. It's about that real-time interaction.
Okay, cool. Now, the other thing making waves seems to be Smart Replies in Gmail, getting smarter.
Getting contextually smarter, that's the key difference.
Contextually. How so? We already have those little reply buttons.
Right, but those usually just look at the very last email you receive. These new ones, the AI actually reads the entire email thread.
The whole conversation?
The whole conversation. So the suggested replies should be much more relevant to where the discussion actually is.
Ah, okay. Because, yeah, how many times does a generic got it just completely miss the mark on a long back and forth?
Exactly. So this aims to make those suggestions genuinely helpful. A real time saver, hopefully.
Makes sense. More relevant suggestions mean less editing, faster replies.
That's the goal. Again, this is for the Workspace Business and Enterprise folks for now, but it shows the direction using AI to cut down on the email grind.
Right. And you mentioned Excel Technologies earlier. Where do they fit into this picture?
Well, they were part of the source material, and they're an authorized Google partner. They focus on delivering IT services, implementing these kinds of solutions for businesses.
So they're kind of on the ground helping companies use these new tools.
Precisely. It just highlights that Google relies on partners like them to get these advanced features adopted and integrated effectively. It's part of the ecosystem.
Okay, so zooming out then. The big takeaways for you listening are really these two things for now.
Yeah, I'd say Gemini Live for that more natural, real-time AI interaction, using voice, camera, screen.
And then the smarter, context-aware, smart replies in Gmail, looking at the whole thread.
And remember, initially, these are landing for Google Workspace Business and Enterprise users.
But the overall theme, it seems, is definitely about making tech interactions smoother, more efficient.
Absolutely. Leveraging AI not just for novelty, but for, actual productivity gains and maybe even more natural ways to collaborate.
So here's something to think about as we wrap up.
Yeah.
How might these kinds of AI tools, ones that can see, hear, and understand context deeply, how might they start reshaping not just how you do tasks, but your whole approach to working with others over the next few years?
That's a great question. Think about specific moments in your day. Way could an AI that truly gets the context be a real game changer for you?
Definitely food for thought. This deep dive drew on recent announcements from Google and what tech watchers are saying. It certainly opens up some interesting possibilities for the future of work.